Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. I Assistant Professor Sumaya Tamboli will be clearing your concept on CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Okay? Need for CSS. CSS language is designed to present the content for making the web pages more presentable. Before CSS, HTML was the only major language used to design. HTML had some limitations. For example, 4 different tables in HTML, and if we wish to make them look more presentable, designers need to repeat the code, right? HTML was designed to describe the content and not present the content, okay? Why HTML was designed? It was designed to describe the content and not present the content, right? CSS allows the designer to develop more styles and once written can be applied on multiple markups without rewriting the code. There was need in divisions of duties of describing the content and presenting the content. Okay? Now, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a style sheet language which is used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in markup language. It provides an additional feature to HTML. It is generally used with HTML to change the style of web pages and user interfaces. Advantages of CSS: CSS saves time. Pages load faster. Easy maintenance. Superior styles to HTML. Multiple device compatibility. Global web standards. Now, HTML attributes are deprecated and it's being recommended to use CSS. Syntax and structure. So here you can see this is the syntax, right? And the structure, how you're going to use the CSS, right? And how you're going to apply it on the elements of the HTML, right? Selector, declaration, right? And this declaration is having property and value, okay? Selector, declaration. Declaration starts from opening curly bracket and ends at closing curly bracket, right? And this is going to have property and value. Let's say this one by one. Selector. It is an HTML tag at which style will be applied, okay? So basically selectors are what? Those HTML tags on which we need to apply style, right? Example here, suppose I'm taking tag H1. H1 is nothing but heading tag, right? I need to apply some style on it, then it is being taken as selector. Similarly, this is the table tag. If I want to apply some style on the table, then this will be taken as the selector. Okay, next, declaration. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Okay, the declaration block contains one or more declaration separated by semicolon. So here you can see in the curly bracket over here, this is one declaration, right? And this is the another declaration. And these two declarations are separated by semicolon. Here you can see these two declarations are separated by semicolon. Each declaration includes a CSS property, name and a value separated by a colon, right? Each declaration is having CSS property. You can see this is the CSS property and this is the value. And these two are separated by a colon. These two are separated by colon, right? A CSS declaration always ends with a semicolon, right? And declaration blocks are surrounded by the curly braces. So here declaration always ends with what? Semicolon. Here you can see this is the end of your declaration, right? Which is a semicolon, right? And it comes in opening and closing curly brackets, right? Next, you can see property. Property is a type of attribute of HTML tag. Simply, all HTML attributes are converted into CSS properties. Whichever attributes we have seen while studying HTML, those are converted into CSS properties. Okay. And what is values then? Values are assigned to properties. For example, color property can have value red. Okay. Color property can have value red. So this is the introduction part of your cascading style sheet. Whatever we have seen in this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely clear your doubt. If you have liked my video, do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching the video.